Guys, let's just unpack on news galong. Ngoba vele lezi news, they are actually galong. I'm just like, guys, uSnekuku, YouTuber, mayse on live. Akhuluma ngestory sidala kangaka, guys. Like we saw over that story. I didn't even expect that from her. And then she started swearing and cursing, and then she was like, I know, I didn't mean it. Oh, guys, please, the thing was just very uncalled for and childish. And I did say, good, logula kwabo. Ngani wakhe futhi oyi-fake vele in any case because batholana khona la ku-social media. That's not friendship. Why can't you just move on from that? Kwaqalaphi lesi story started with uyena and uyagegela kalisho igama lomuntu, but we all know ukuthi usho uKgomotso Ramano. And how it started, uKgomotso Ramano wayese umuntu omubi okhohlakele kabi because azange am-invite emshadweni wakhe. Kusho abantu ngaso isikhathi ku-social media. How invite her? What you know, uSnekuku? No, I didn't want to be invited there. I wasn't invited. Why must I comment on someone's wedding? And the uti, they didn't really have a fight, right? And the corner of relationships among Anjalo, even family members, maningabi, cousins and stuff, you don't speak to them for years and you don't really speak at all. And there's nothing on Kabana. Because you know why? When it comes to relationships, let me tell you, you have to keep tabs on me. If I don't check, and I've always been known in my family. It's going to you are the only one who used to hlanganisa family. You check everyone, call everyone. But guys, I mean, now it's the same as Kgomotso Ramano nomngani wakhe uSnekuku. It's over and there's no need for her to be revisit that story again. We are so over that story. Oh my word, like it's not even us on our sins. We are so over it. Oh, you sisters, I didn't expect that from her. It wasn't like her. She started to say stuff nje yazi mina futhi umuntu maye usungikhathe off mangasangafuni namanginandaba I move on in I was just like, bruh, please. I thought you had moved on already. What are you on about? Ukhuluma ngani? Yekela uKgomotso Ramano. And someone was even saying ukuthi, guys, uKgomotso Ramano is not even saying anything anymore. I even said to myself, you know what? What childish thing is this? We are all doing well. You are all doing well. They are all doing well on YouTube. And I even feel like uSnekuku is making more money than Kgomotso Ramano. The way she said uSnekuku, I like her work. I'm like, why are you still even looking at her stuff? Move on. Oh my word. Like, leave her. Guys, bakhona abantu abanjalo uyaba-release. She tried to explain the story. I was just like, oh ma, like, you're still there. Leave her. And moved on. Have you heard her? Kgomotso Ramano saying anything after people were dragging her? Oqala kaZuzu usho ukuthi iMercedes kaSister Zinhle when she bought a Mercedes. And they bought almost the same cars. Manje, and then kwatholakala ukuthi no, actually she did congratulate her on Instagram, uKgomotso Ramano. Abantu ba-apologize. You know those ones that drag you on social media without checking kahle information. And babuye baxolisa, you know, what's how angasho ukuthi imoto yakhe yinhle kanjani. I think that relationship is tired. You understand? And it's time to move on now. No, I didn't even expect her to say anything. After such a long time, uKgomotso washada, went to the same place as her in Bali. And two sisters and I went to Bali 2 years ago for a honeymoon. They do almost the same things. uKgomotso Ramano waya naye eBali nomuntu wakhe. And uKgomotso Ramano bamdraga futhi just before umshado wakhe bathi wena awusiye ngaleyo ndoda yakho yakaMashu in KZN eyashiya ingane eziwu2 eKZN. Manje i-acts here like unengane eziwu2 lezi zakho zamantombazane kanti washiya ingane eKZN eziwu2. One of those children is disabled. Please awusiye ngaleyo ndoda yakhe esithanda ukuzenza sengathi inengane eziwu2 kuphela. But is it Kgomotso's problem? Uyazokazi ukuthi sometimes izinto ezenzayo ngapha uSnekuku naye they don't start the same week. Dragged her to feel ngayiphi indaba ngale ndaba leyo ukuthi indoda yakhe angaze yayino sithandwa sayo. They went together at school, babafunda bonke. Uneyingane, he likes acting like he's childless. Oh guys, like yabo social media into. This is why I once said, abo mangekho strong, I tell you uzokhala daily. Ngiyatshela. Every day uzokhala. Bamdonsa uSnegugu bathi wena awusiyeki. Nini usigivile futhi 2 months ago wathi people must leave her. They can't be policing her womb. Beleke bethi uzoyithola nini ingane, she's not ready. They must leave her alone. Kuba socials. Hayi manje bese busy noKhumuso Ramano. Guys, the people are like, please stop. Lo muntu nje okwami uzothini? Ngempela guys, uKhumuso Ramano ngikaze ngize ngimuzwe esho next. And I even said to myself, no. uSnegugu must just leave lesi story sakhe noKhumuso Ramano to rest. Siphumule lesi story. Sikhathele ilesi story actually. It's like a broken record. Ungakwazi futhi ukudlala irecord lakho, understand? Cause they both making money. I mean, that's my thing. Concentrate on the YouTube money. Like who would you care? Because uKhumuso Ramano wakudampa friendship. She was saying, if friendship go, yeah, it's broken. She doesn't even know what happened. It doesn't matter. Uzolokuzibuza every day, but leave people alone. Release people obaxolele. What time ngiyaxolela abantu umuntu ngami? But usakhuluma. Release people and leave them alone. Ngoba koteli. Like honestly, all these stories vele sangibhora for days. Ngapha ugogo Sikhotheni ama-spiritual healers zangoma izinyanga zingidonsi. Ngibone nje kancane uDr Khehlelezi ememezana. Was just like okay, uDr Khehlelezi waye erasa kanje in-life. He was screaming guys. Ethi ngiyake siyeke loyo. Uyazazi leyo nyoka yakhe. Ngathi hayibo guys, inyoka ebiyenze njani ba? Uyazazi ukuthi ubalekeleni ziningabe izinto azenzile. And there was another story sokuthi uthi usaphumula kancane. Guys, how do you rest emngomeni? Cela ungichazele. Uyabona ku YouTube abantu bahleze bethi I quit. Akaquithile kodwa. Like I'm just like ubuthini. What are you saying? You understand? Naye uthe uyayeka yena ama consultations akasenzi next. Bazokudonsa izinyanga umloko ukhuluma kabi ngalezi zinto. This is why ngangithe guys, abo into zama politics, religion and lezi zinto ezikaso and people's madlozes and stuff. Don't musa ukungenelela kakhulu. Uzoba nenkinga in life. Mina ngifile ukuthi mina from my understanding ugogo Sikhotheni should have just Udumi should have just left it alone and keep it to herself. Manje uyathanda ukhuluma usisters. Usisters uzobe ekhuluma kuma socials for the past 2 months, the stuff that she's done. Wele ku TikTok the whole day. You don't do anything. Uhlala nje ku TikTok wena. Ilanga lonke ukhuluma. Nayo le. Uthi angisaphathe muthi ngabe nje uthulile wayivalela umlomo wakho wayimuvela on life yakho uloku ngesona isangoma, it is fine. We were not even going to judge you. You brought it to socials ke inyanga ke nama spiritual healers nezangoma. Ngeke zikuyeke. Sebethi uyayazi into oyibalekelayo nenyoka yakho. So uyabona manje ukuthi like what are we gonna do thina? Thina sizolalela and come back and report to our people, my beautiful people here. News Galo. Abangisupportile nami. Njoba usungibona sengina 1000 subscribers. Hayibo. Guys, I was just like abangeke ugogo Sikhotheni need to leave it now. Like ayashiya nje lento. Kodwa ezinye izinto guys, leave them and qoqa ikhwama zakho and move on. Like it never happened. Ngoba ihlalele nje endlini wayithulela. And you know what? What was crazy about it? It's not the first time. She said it even last month in March. Ukuthi ayi ngisasona sangoma. Why are you telling us? What must happen? So uyabona manje ukuthi you bringing other things from the bushes. Abantu ke bazokudonsa ke. But lo usikhuluma kabi, hamba ukukhuluma into zethu kabi, like who are you? Usijwayelwe. Hey futhi nje ngiyabona ukuthi azi ngeba miyeke and ngebazi baqede manje basazomudonsa kanti ngabe uthulile. And then uSlee went to Mbuyiselo's podcast. I see Mbuyiselo manje into yakhe he has turned it to a podcast. I love him because we normally do the same things. Like we review Oh Mommy Club, no, like all these reality shows, not all of them as such, but especially the Mommy Club and the Real Housewives. All of them, me and him, Jay, we've been reviewing them. So I like him for that. We do the same things. I like him anyway. And he moved from KZN, is in Johannesburg now. So upis nama podcast again. So when they are happening on my podcast, okay, they are so genuine, you know. He was now speaking to Slee. You remember my favorite was Slee, Good Real Housewives of Durban. Please guys, bukani Real Housewives of Durban. Why inamaviews amancane kanje? Ningayibuki when I reviewed it last week. Please guys, ngayicelela. So I was still saying ukuthi umbuyiselo ke was speaking to Slee. Slee ke I even think that's the reason why she didn't come back. She was saying, and it's not the first time. The other day she did say no nonkuwa ke washo. 2023 ukuthi hayi asikholi. It's not even a lot of money. There's no money there. But I was just like kanjani, because when you look at Real Housewives, Zago New York that I've been watching for years, Zago Beverly Hills, you can see Guti, yes, they do have money. Yeah, Bonjevel, those people in any case, like real money. But they are paid, apparently, proper money. So what's going on with this franchise? Like, as it is now, the Real Housewives of Johannesburg is not coming back because there's no money there. I was like, why are you even forcing? Because Anina you email. Yeah. So why are we having Real Housewives of Johannesburg? People didn't even said that. That didn't even come from me. I was just like, wow. Anina Mali. Shian, you understand? So Real Housewives of Durban, I don't expect that. No, sorry. But my thing is that why are you not paying people who kokela abantu 3,000 uthi you do makeup? You understand? No, those are crazy things. So I was trashing them, guys. On the podcast, she was like, so I even think that's the reason why she didn't come back. She's like, it's just the man just to move around. I mean, I even thought the parties that they normally organize, a lady like she did organize the label of hers, wins are like a sort of like a launch. So I thought by they don't pay for them. But I was like, guys, that's not right. See? That is not right. I don't know what's your take on that, guys. Just let me know ukuthi nina nibona kanjani. Ninginike nje ama comments and just sibone ukuthi kufanele kwenziwe njani. Because we didn't expect that scene. Fine, they've said it before, ukuthi abaholi imali engako, you know. 3,000 came out ngo-2023 ukuthi hayi ncane vele sihola 3,000 rand. I was just like, what? Wow. And then Usney came up with the story ukuthi yena she was paid a once off 30,000 when she was there. I was like, oh, okay. Wow. Hayi bathi ncane mali. So ngime lapho guys ngeindaba for now. So besiqhubeka futhi later guys, ziningi. And then check my new channel called Uningia Mzansi. Thank you so much guys for always supporting me. Ngithanda over.